Hi there everybody, it's Dr. Steve with Kinesi, and this is going to be some low-level shoulder exercises that you can do right after a surgery or kind of right after an injury. But when things are in an acute phase and you're having a lot of struggle with your shoulder, we're going to do a couple of things, some pendulums and some bent over rows. So they're both in the same position, and that's where you're going to have one hand supporting your body on some kind of a surface, whether it's a bench or a seat or a chair seat, a couch, a tabletop, a counter, anything like that. You can even support yourself on kind of the knee, but the one hand is supported, the other hand is dangling down. So first we're going to do some pendulums, and pendulums are where we're just letting the body weight create a little momentum to have the arm swinging back and forth. And so this is going in a side to side kind of swing. And I'm going to give you this angle because I want to show you that there's a weight shift through the legs to let the arm get the swing from the momentum. So it's not just standing still with the body and swinging the arm back and forth. We're trying to let the shoulder muscles relax a little bit, create some gentle motion using the body. So that's the side to side, same position, and then you kind of go around in circles. So you just circle one way. Again, you're trying to use the momentum of the body, and then circle the other way. And these are referred to as the pendulum exercises. Next, the same position, we can do some bent over rows, and that's where you're bringing the fist up to the armpit. So the elbow gets to come up high behind you, and we want the whole shoulder blade and the trunk to get a little motion. So it's not just bringing the hand up and bending the elbow, but we want that whole shoulder blade to get moving as you draw up. So you can do it without any weight, or using a little weight is really good. We want to create that motion is lotion kind of experience. So doing a bunch at a comfortable level is going to be ideal. So have fun with that one, everybody.